In the grand palace of Persia, King Cyrus the Great stood tall, his brown eyes filled with determination as he gazed out over his vast empire. Cyrus, known for his military brilliance and conquests, had no idea that his destiny was written long before his birth. Centuries earlier, the prophet Isaiah had prophesied that a foreign king named Cyrus would be chosen by God to free the Jewish people from captivity. For 70 years, the Jews had been exiled in Babylon, their temple destroyed, and their hope fading. But God had a plan. Guided by divine wisdom, Cyrus led his armies into Babylon, not with destruction, but with mercy, as the city's gates opened peacefully. Once in power, Cyrus issued a decree that would change the course of history. Let the people of Israel return to their land and rebuild their temple in Jerusalem. The exiles, filled with joy and hope, began their journey back to Jerusalem, supported by Cyrus, who even returned their sacred temple treasures. Through Cyrus, God's prophecy was fulfilled, showing that he can use anyone, even a foreign king, to carry out his divine will. As the Israelites rebuilt their temple, Cyrus' role in God's plan was clear. He was a part of something far greater than his own empire. His story reminds us that God's purpose transcends nations and rulers, and even the mightiest of empires bow to his will.